Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to change your name on Facebook. First of all, log into your profile. Then here's my profile. Then simply click here. Then click on settings and privacy. Settings. Then click on general, and here you'll find your name changing option. Simply click on your name. And here is my current Facebook profile name. Now I'm gonna change it here. I'm giving first name Niloy and middle name Khan and surname Arav. After that I'm clicking on review change, and here Facebook provide three different type of name. You can select any of them, and now you have to put your Facebook password here. So I'm giving my Facebook password here. Now click on save changes, and here we can see my Facebook profile name has been changed. And if I come back into my profile, and here we can see the name is changed now. This is how we can change our Facebook profile name. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.